Hey there, it's Miley with Cloud App. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on your Do Not Disturb settings if you need a little extra peace and lack of distractions to get some projects done. So you're going to go to the top right hand corner of your Mac to this little icon. You can also swipe over to, I guess you'll be going left to get there, but we're going to just click on that for the purposes of this tutorial. And then you're going to click on notifications and scroll up, and it will show you night shift, which will change the color scheme of your computer to kind of make it easier on your eyes and have a lack of blue light there. But the one I want to show you is the Do Not Disturb button. So we're going to click that on. Now basically, if you leave this on, it will stay on until tomorrow. And so from here you can rest assured that you won't have notifications popping up. But if you're wanting to set a schedule long term, I'll show you how to update this. So we're going to go to Settings or System Preferences and then to Notifications. Now from here you're going to click on Do Not Disturb, which is this top one for me. And you can choose to have it on a schedule. So if you never want to have notifications between certain hours, you can just turn that on. So this one is automatically set from like 10 to 7 a.m. So I can choose to turn that on. You can choose Do Not Disturb to be on when the display is sleeping, when the screen is locked, which is a good one if you don't want some notifications popping up while you're away from your desk, but your computer's still on. And then this is a great one for conference calls. If you don't want certain messages popping up while you are on the conference call, you can turn on Do Not Disturb when mirroring to TVs and projectors, and that's just kind of an extra level of security to make sure nothing unprofessional pops up or anything like that. And then you can also choose, if Do Not Disturb is on, you can still allow calls to come through if those are important and you don't want to miss those, or you can allow repeated calls if someone is calling more than once and it may be more urgent. Those can come through as well if you want. So those are the two ways to update your Do Not Disturb settings, and hopefully that allows you to be a little more productive and customize your Mac as you'd like.